Hey guys, this is Dan from True North Motos. We are going to be doing a fuel pump swap into a larger tank. This is the Acerbis 3.9 gallon tank that we're going to be putting on our 450 bike. So we'll set this aside. First thing you're going to want to do, drain all the fuel out of your tank, remove the shrouds. We've already done that to keep the video a little bit shorter. So we're going to dive into removing the fuel pump. Tools you'll need for this job, 17mm and a 6mm. First thing we're going to start, remove these two 17mm holding the bottom of the fuel pump to the tank. There will be some gas left in your fuel pump, so be ready to get out of the way. Both those are out. Go ahead and remove the upper bolts for the fuel pump. Now that we're loose, kind of pull that out. You're going to have to turn this and your fuel pump assembly. Just keep an eye on wires, and there we go. Fuel pump is out of the bike. It's a good thing to look in the tank, make sure there's no plastic pieces or anything in there when you're going to install the new pump. Make sure your pump is clean, full, or free of debris or anything that might have gone on it. Looks good. So now we're going to start by sliding your fuel pump assembly in. You want to make sure you aim it to that side of the tank. Now it is the trick, just kind of letting that fall in. Your fuel pump's down here, and the holes are over here. So, kind of the trick of don't get gas on you, and get it to fall into the hole like that. See if you can get one of the pieces started on here. Gonna have to go with the other one. So, try not to push the fuel pump back up into the tank. Get it started. Get this one, and it'll pull the other threads down into the hole. Don't get it tight until you start that. We're going to wipe that off or spray it off with brake clean. Like so, and get that one started on there as well. Both these have rubber O-rings. Doesn't take a lot of torque on these. Okay, that part is done. Let's go to the upper connector. Super important. I know I say this a lot, especially in a $325 fuel tank. Do not over torque the plastic screws. They're just going into plastic threads. People say, "Oh, Acerbis tanks aren't as good as IMS because they use plastic threads." Well, most people that say that are the ones who over torque their plastic bolts and now have to get the next size up. Never had one problem with an Acerbis tank and the plastic threads. Just snug. They will not back out. Alright, easy as that. Fuel pump's in the new tank. We're going to put all the hardware on that came with the tank.